Investing in a professional video with a professional videographer is a game changer when selling your home. You see, quality matters. High quality videos, they stand out in today's real estate market. A professional video, it showcases the beauty and unique features of your property in a way that the iPhone videos just can't match. A professional videographer knows how to capture your home's best lighting, angles, and details, making it look its absolute best. And this can leave a lasting impression on potential buyers. A videographer showcases the personal aspects of your home, like the cozy reading nook or an inviting dining area, helping buyers envision their own lives here. You see, when the buyers can see the personal moments that happen in a home, it becomes more than just a piece of real estate. It becomes a place where they can create their own memories. This adds immense value and it makes your home more saleable. You see, in this digital age, first impressions are often made online. A professional video will give them a compelling reason to schedule a viewing. So when it comes to selling your home, don't settle for anything less than a professional video. So if you're ready to make your home shine, let's get started. I'm Jay Cannone. Call me or text me at 203-209-2529 or email me at jay@jcannone.com. Hey, listen, thanks for watching this short video and have a great rest of your day.